Sevilla. First platoon leader, boys, Danik L. Fernandez. Second platoon leader, girls, Eloisa Becky Alpon. Student, Alcinia P. Fernandez. CDP Mapping Facilitator, Anthony L. Malyal. Major Coordinator, Chase May Amor. DXMC, DNC Coordinator, Lali P. Nabus. Entry number 57, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Partner High School Incorporated, Santa Maria, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 57, Moises D. Fernandez Senior Partner High School Incorporated, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 58, Kabutulan High School, Umalo.